The T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set is a comprehensive collection of cookware designed to meet various cooking needs. Here are the key details. 1. 17-piece set. This set includes 17 pieces of cookware, which consist of various pots, pans, and lids, making it versatile for a wide range of cooking tasks. 2. Hard anodized construction. The cookware is made from hard anodized aluminum, which is known for its excellent heat distribution and durability. This construction ensures even cooking and prevents hot spots. 3. Non-stick coating. All the pieces in this set feature a non-stick interior coating, making cooking and cleaning easier. This coating allows you to cook with minimal oil or butter, reducing the need for excess fats in your recipes. 4. Oven and broiler safe. These pots and pans are safe for use in the oven and broiler at temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to start a dish on the stovetop and finish it in the oven. 5. Lid safety. The lids are safe to use in the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility in your cooking methods. 6. Dishwasher safe. The cookware is dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free after your cooking adventures. 7. Color. The set is black in color, which is a classic and versatile choice for any kitchen. In summary, this T-fal cookware set offers a durable and versatile solution for your cooking needs, with its non-stick surface, oven and broiler safety, and ease of cleaning. It's a valuable addition to any kitchen for both novice and experienced cooks.